So today I'm going to start off by doing this in a pan, okay? And then we're gonna throw all of our ingredients into a crock pot and cook it from there. So very important, you get a hot pan. I'm going to put my oil in the pan, okay? And I want to actually wait till I see a little smoke coming up to add my beef. And in the meantime, I'm going to grab my stew meat. This is called in the supermarket. It's typically a shoulder cut of the animal because it's really tough. So I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. And when we're doing this, the most important part of this is to not overcrowd your pan. If you overcrowd your pan, you're not going to get the proper sear that you're supposed to get. When it's in here, you get the sear. When it's in here with the liquid, that sear kind of comes out of the meat and goes into the liquid, okay? So my pan is smoking a little bit. Okay. Don't be afraid that it's gonna burn. You almost want it to not burn, but caramelize. And that's the step right before burn. Got nice brown. Yeah, that's getting there. So I'm basically gonna turn these over and let it brown again. I do it every time I cook at home because I'm used to cooking in a commercial setting with the high temperatures and whatnot. I'm gonna put that right into my crock pot. Okay. Next step is to take my vegetables and do the same thing. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add my garlic. You guys are gonna smell that really quick. And again, you just want to leave that there. I just want a nice even layer so it browns up really nice. Okay, at this point, I'm just waiting on that to get brown. I'm just going to go ahead and add my beef stock. And lots of red wine. So I'm going to add my onions. Okay. And, okay, see that? So what's left in the pan? That's a very important part of this whole process. And I need to steal some liquid back. Sorry, guys. This is what I'm about to do. It's called deglazing. It's going to release all those flavors from the pan, and I'm going to put that liquid and turn right into my crock pot here.
So if you weren't doing this in a crock pot, skip the frying pan, do it in something like this or a bigger pan, so you can just add everything into the same pan and get all those flavors.
Add that right to the pot. Okay, put the cover on. The most important part of this step, you see how the liquid comes right up to the vegetables or the solid ingredients in there? That's what you want. You don't want it too far, you don't want it too short. Bay leaf, thyme, and parsley. Thyme is really important in this recipe. And a little bit of tomato paste to help give it some body and that richness, that bold flavor. First half hour high and for 2 hours on low.
Ryan Servatius here. We're Century 20 affiliated in South Haven, Michigan, and things to do in South Haven. I'm here with Chef Joel and Chef Sarah, and this is our 4th installment of cooking sessions. And today we did stew. Joel, why don't you tell us what you like?
I don't know about you, Sarah, but I had a really fun time cooking the 2 stews that I did. I did a traditional burgundy beef French recipe stew, and then I went and did a Mexican stew, which is called pozole with pork shoulder and onion. It turned out absolutely fantastic.
Then I jumped the ocean and did a African stew called the moda, which is a chicken peanut stew, and a Swedish stew which had lamb and pears in it, which I think was my favorite.
Absolutely delicious.
Nice. So make sure you make it out to taste, get a good meal, stay warm. It's middle of winter time, and we'll see you in a month.